Day traders, quick question. Why are you always allowing the stock to hit your stop loss? Why are you doing that? Don't let it hit your stop loss. If you're gonna make daily profits from the financial markets, you should have a stop loss in place immediately. That does not mean you must allow it to hit your stop loss. Your stop loss is similar to a reserve parachute when you're jumping out of a plane. The parachute is there, okay? In case of an emergency, your regular parachute does not work. So you rely on that one, on the stop loss or the reserve chute to save your life. That does not mean that you must deploy your reserve parachute every time you jump out of a plane. I used to jump out of planes. I always had a reserve parachute. I'm glad I never had to use it. Same thing with a trade. Okay? I don't allow it to hit my stop loss. I will sell immediately if it goes against me. I would never allow it to hit the stop loss. The stop loss is in place for those circumstances where the market goes against you way too fast for you to react and sell it immediately. So it's a safety net to protect you, okay? So stop allowing your stock price to hit your stop loss. Sell before that. There's no reason to lose 1 hour if that's the method you're using. You want to achieve 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, whatever it is you're trying to achieve. That does not mean you must always lose 1 hour every time you try. Okay? You can easily lose less than 1 hour by simply selling. Okay? A quick sale when the stock goes against me and I do not rely on the stop loss. The stop loss is in place. It's a safety net. But I sell before that. If I had to rely on the stop loss, that means my entry was just horrible, not good. I didn't do a good job in entering the trade. Okay? That reflects on me. In other words, whenever you enter a trade, your entry should be as perfect as possible, meaning that it does not go against you. Of course, that comes with time and skills, but that's for another video to talk about. Have a good one, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like.